Ateret Avot Senior Living in Brooklyn. Chevre, I want to show you a gem in the center of Brooklyn, Dorf Avenue N and East 10th. Ateret Avot 1410 East 10th Street, Chevre. Here we go. Pischi the shiurim. Wow. Oh! Rab Eli! Rab Eli Sharf. Wow. Koyim kol like it over there. Mike Le.
Okay, here we go.
Wow. Hashem, we made it here. It's about 12 hours.
We're here during the day. It is super active. There's always things going on here. The lobby is full, activities happening. We have concerts, we have shows, we have all different functions that we do to keep everybody active and exciting and making every day should be something to get up for and have geschmack and enjoyment for every minute throughout the day.
Wow, so I'll tell you, Eli, I have a personal gefühl for the Platz, because whenever my in-laws for Shabbos, they live not too far from me, and it's so nice to visit the elderly Yidden over here. The chiyas that you put into them, that the facility that Ateret Avot puts into the people here, they have so much going on in Shabbos. When shiurim, see the chazurim, batfilis. I love coming here.
And that's what we love. We love when the community is part of our community here, and that's what we're here for.
So let's hear. What is your facility here at Ateret Avot? Who is it catered for? Who's eligible to be here? And go for it.
Okay, so Ateret Avot is an assisted living facility. So just for clarity's sake, we're not a nursing home. We're made for people to come, live here, and to really be part of the community that we have here. It's made for heimische, yiddish people. We have full functioning shul here. We'll show that when we get to that. And we have all kinds of activities and social things going on that help keep the environment invigorating and energized on a daily basis.
Wow. I just want to tell you the ambiance, the decor. It's just pretty, it's nice. A lot of times, by senior facilities, this place is spick and span, gorgeous. If I wouldn't say where we are, it's
like I got to do over there. This is thanks. My father built this place about a little over 25 years ago, and he does a lot of the decorating and all that over here. He was walking at shul one time in the art gallery and said, he needs something for spruce up the lobby, and that's it. He just anything to make sure,
wow.
To make sure that this feels homey and heimish and comfortable.
A Hilton hotel this place feels like.
100%.
Okay, take me around. Lamazain.
Okay, so this is our lobby, and in the back over there we have our library. This is what this is where most of the activities and people spend most of the day. So nobody has to feel like they're giving up their home. This whole space becomes their home. They're not just squashing themselves into one little room. They really have the whole facility at their disposal. Families come, they sit here and participate in activities. So it's really about having the engagement and being part of that. And understandably, on top of that, we have medical oversight. So we have a nurse here every day, we have doctors, physical therapists, and we make sure
Someone wants to have her aid with them in their room.
So we have options for that. But it's very beneficial for somebody that is at home. First of all, you're sitting by yourself the whole entire day, and you don't really see people. And the children have to come every day and make sure that everything's is set up. Make sure this person has 3 meals a day. That's all done over here. We take care of all that, and they have everything they need.
So let's clarify one more time, Eli. You're not in a nursing home, Bichlal.
No.
So you're not meant for sick patients.
No.
People who are not well. You're here for elderly who are fully functioning, but
Correct.
They're living alone.
Right.
Come out here, live in the beautiful ambience, live with friends, live with daily minyanim, with daily 3 meals, where everything is taken care of. And like you said, the nurse comes around, the physical therapists are here, all your needs are here.
Correct.
You have shiurim, for the ladies, you have yoga, with andere Sachen. Basically,
100%.
This is a go-to if somebody's older and it's hard for his kids to take care of him. It's a beautiful place.
Correct.
Wow. How old do you have to be to come?
So we have all ages. The youngest person is probably in their 50s and going up to 100. Yeah, we have people that are 100 years old, yeah.
Wow. So what categorizes somebody to be eligible? How does it work? First of all, you take insurance.
Right. Also, we have a special Perlowitz. We don't have to wait till the end of the video for Perlowitz emotion. But about a year ago, we actually got approved by the state for Medicaid.
Really?
Yes.
Until a year ago, you have to pay cash.
Correct. So now,
slow down. Let's not take that lightly. This is a Himmelgeschrei. This is a major promotion. So till a year ago, if somebody wanted to be in Ateret Avot, you had to pay cash.
Out of pocket.
That's like a cost.
Correct.
Now Medicaid approves it.
Correct.
Chevra, do you hear what he's saying, Eli? That is a Perlowitz promotion with Tzadaf
So that's basically,
So technically, anybody who has Medicaid now is approved to come to Ateret Avot.
Pretty much. So obviously, you need to have a little bit of challenges, particularly somebody who's approved for...
Who doesn't have challenges today? Yeah, he does.
That's true.
Unreal. So,
Chaim, lass mich was in der Shul do. And der Shul nicht gemacht no verschau. Du fangt man nur mit Schach gesehen in der Früh, so du rufst kommt du heran, und machst dich jede Sache mit Siddes, du batfilles, and continue on to daf yoyim shir, und du khem shnash shir, so du am shnayes shir, so du min khamarev, Shabbos, Yontif, as you expect in a full functioning Jewish community. We have basically a Jewish community here on site.
I was here once for Yontif davening. It's a beautiful davening. It was packed with this message. The throne section, the men's section. I want to show the only my secret do. Right here is windows to the first floor to the lobby. At the throne was it in the lobby? Can I meet the shiny davening?
Versteht sich das schon im Kippe bringt man an auf zähle Gasen speziell für junge Ruhe and
wow, so this is your father's baby technically. Both the shield.
The shield heißt gerade noch man Seite. Danke Josche. Josche, nicht mas Moshe Yankev Gekel Schaf für das Spezieren. Wow. Know about him. But,
the famous
Daki Yosha. We'll do a whole separate video segment on that if you want. Okay, so Chaim, over here we have our tea room, we call it. People come here and then have snacks, and we do things like that. And over here we do other recreation activities. We have our bingo over here.
Bingo.
Everybody loves bingo. 2 times a week.
Wow.
Room gets jam packed. But we also bring in artists and do art. What's called artwork and paintings and before every yontif we do different kinds of art depending on what season
trips
is.
Trips.
Sure. We do trips.
A full camp over here.
It's a full camp. We have wow. It's a schwer zu weisen of the videos, but this was Chanukah. Everybody lit their own menorah in the lobby. This one you can zoom in on over here. The boys come from the Tanzen with the
wow.
Yeah. And this is the monthly calendar of events. Everything that's happening.
Chimisch, art, movies, alles. Steigt sich da nach, the Perlowitz videos, steigt sich. Beautiful fish tank, coffee room.
Ja.
Oh my God, warte. Du, man nach Havarisse schaffen, man sitzt allein, du. Wow. Noch hat auf Yom Shid, du. Wow, du im Trasket allein, du.
Ja.
Wir machen, du hast immer Schaß.
We make a seam after every Masechta. We make a L'chaim Besmedrish, and nice. We do that. Sometimes during the 9 days, we take advantage of that and do a big seam in our dining room.
So there's the dining room?
Yeah, Chaim, welcome to our dining room.
Wow, beautiful.
3 fully hot meals 3 times a day, all overseen by a registered dietitian that makes sure that every person is getting the right amount of nutrition and makes sure that that's tasty and it's something that everybody can enjoy.
Beautiful. A restaurant this is none less than Mach vlogs in restaurants. Beautiful.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Every table has a number, the name of the person that's sitting there, and the staff knows everybody's dietary preferences, exactly what they like and how they like their eggs cooked and how they like their bread toasted. You should come here in the morning and see those like do toast azoy, cheese whatever you can imagine. It's all laid out in.
I love the windows over it. It's lechtig. It's be outdoors over here. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Eli, it's unbelievable how you take a person who's in his older years, was an Schruta, sitzen in Hosen and push it von der Jungen verschimmeln, but it wastes, you know.
Not unstimulated. It's unstimulated.
Bringst du mal an, du als Platz, wieder mit Chies, mit Shiurim, mit unreal.
And for the children, it's also good because when somebody's home, they have to make sure that they're fully taken care of. The aides are showing up. The food is being cooked. The food is being served. Here, we take care of all that, and then you're free to be a child to your parent again, and to come and visit, and just enjoy and spend the time with the kindlich and the einiglich, and they just chef sotznachas, so we just enjoy seeing that.
Wow. Ellie makes sure to bring back memories from the olden days, the Lancey Street, the ice cream truck, and of his clients are out. I'm gonna tell you, this person's here in the Ateret Avot.
in the first iteration.
The first generation. Wow.
Chaim, I know you like to see behind the scenes a lot. Most people, when they come for the tour of Ateret Avot, they don't get to see this. But I want you to see what a kitchen looks like after a regular day's work. Spotless. Nothing out of place. Everything is clean.
If not a speck on the floor.
You can eat off the floor over here.
Jeez, this
This is the Milchei kitchen. We have a separate Fleischige kitchen.
Taka spotless. How did you keep up to this level?
We have a very strong dogish on cleanliness. And you can imagine what it looks like behind the scenes. You can imagine what goes on actually when it's front facing.
That's amazing. Finally, I'm blown away in I don't know if you have enough rooms over here. The followers are going to see it. I'm going to come to Might have to extend.
Maybe. Mi'ez Hashem.
Wow. So it's now 12 at night, like we started off. We came here by night to do the video. The Olim Benish do. Read sich up for the next tug. What if somebody wants some middle of the night food over here? How does it work? Zan host can I get some kitchen that also never have a refrigerator.
Yes. So over here we have food by the front desk available 24 hours a day.
Really?
Yes. Whenever you need, call down to the front desk. And you asked, and we have a selection of food that's ready to go whenever you want.
Somebody that's feeling well in the middle of the night. It has a button next to the bed.
There's call buttons, emergency call buttons by the bed. The front desk is monitored 24 hours a day. Plus we have aides rotating throughout the building, checking up on everybody constantly. So you really have full coverage for your safety 24 hours a day.
Yiddish in 2026, unbelievable. Medicaid covers it also. It's a no-brainer. And it's unreal.
Yeah, I mean, just the people that are here, and they decided that for appreciation of what we did for them, they sent us their plaques and their thank you letters. It's just a small fraction of what we got, but we don't have room to hang up all of them.
So if the Olim shicked on letter, that means the Olim enjoys it over here. That means the Olim is enjoying every minute over here.
I believe
What is the phone number to call in if somebody has questions and wants to inquire?
Okay, so the phone number is 718-998-5400. And our website is ateretavot.com. We do take WhatsApp on the 718-998-5400 number.
So Yiddish Gerecht, shick it on the WhatsApp.
100%. I think the information to give over on one little WhatsApp is a little bit hard, but if you send us your name and phone number and a time to call you, we'll call you back and we'll discuss the needs of your parent or your loved one. And Mi'ez Hashem, we should all be able to work together on this and enjoy.
Wow. Eli, I've been here many times. Now you gave me a full tour. It's Ateret Avot. Ateret Avot. Shkoich Eli.